For the record.
What's going on? What's good? Mike is in the building. Of course, I'm chilling in my garage, changing things up with the bike. Our sponsors at Competition Werkes sent us something that's pretty dope. I know we're rocking the GP exhaust. I'm gonna change things up just a little bit on the bike for this season. It's gonna look really dope. If you guys are interested in getting an exhaust for your bike, for any bike really, just hit them up, let them know you're coming from this channel. They'll hook you up. There's not much to say, man. It sounds amazing. You've heard my bike with a GP slip-on exhaust, and they're badass, so we're gonna change it up just a little bit. Let's get to it. All right, guys, we're gonna keep this video real simple. If you want to see a detailed breakdown on how to install these or the unboxing, you can refer to the video I did before. There should be a link in the description. Let's go from old to new. I'm excited. New look, new season. Let's get it. You can get the proper tool to pull off the spring, but if you have a needle nose plier, it'll do the trick as well. We're gonna do the same exact step here we did on the opposite side. Again, just wanted to say a big shout out to Competition Werkes for being part of the channel. These guys have been a huge support. I appreciate them, and I know they appreciate what I bring to the table. Also, big shout out to you that's watching. We appreciate that you watch, and hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below. All that stuff means a huge deal to me. It means that I can produce more content for you, upgrade the quality, and bring other things to this channel for you guys. First one out. There we go. Next one out. Let's get to the new. Boom. Look at that. This is the black velvet, guys. Amazing looking. I'm sure you guys are kind of getting an idea what's happening here. We have the black belly pan, and then we have the carbon fiber in the front. It's getting darker and darker. The cowl is dark in the back, and now we're going to a dark exhaust, going completely black. Alright, so we're gonna get started by putting the first side on. One thing I didn't mention in my detailed breakdown on how you install this is putting some anti-seize in this little area here, and also maybe around, just around here, so that way it slides right through, and once you turn on the bike, it's gonna burn it right up. So I'm gonna take some anti-seize here. Just gonna kind of pass it around here. It's gonna make it a little bit easier. You don't want to put it all the way on the outside, because once you start screwing it inwards, it's gonna all bunch up on the front part. Make it easier for you to bring it in also. See how much smoother that went in? Perfect. Look how dope that looks. Look how crazy look with all the black in the back. Oh, I'm so excited right now. It's gonna be fire. I'm also gonna throw in some Loctite in the nut later on. I'm loosely placing them. I'm not tightening everything down. I'm not hinging anything on for now. Just making sure it's really fit in properly. Yeah, I'm putting the hinge here. Again, there is a tool for this. If you don't have it, you could do what I did. Make sure everything is fit and nice. I'm not even gonna front. That thing is looking sick already. I'm so excited, it's like ridiculous. All done. Let's slide that in. There we go. It's snug. Yo, this thing is coming out fire. No matter how organized I try to be, how it looks on the video, I still misplace stuff, and I have to search for it. It slows me down, but trying to take my time, but I'm super excited, but almost done. Okay, I did not lose anything. I'm just really stoked about these Competition Werkes exhausts. The spring is right here the entire time. I've been searching for it throughout the entire garage like a mad person. Springs are on. Everything is snug. Looks great. matter of tightening things down. Make sure you refer to your service manual for your torque spec. I just want you guys to take a minute just to take a look to see how the bike is being transformed, just through something as simple as changing from the natural finish of the competition work exhaust to the black velvet, which I loved. I know they sound amazing because they're gonna sound the same as the other, but the looks alone, how it's blackening out the back of the bike, and with the theme of what I'm going for, it's perfect. Little Loctite. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and if you're interested in getting these Competition Work pipes for any motorcycle, check out Competition Works. Let them know you're coming from the Clutch First channel. They'll take care of you, good care of you. Thank you for everybody who stuck around. Keep on watching the channel, showing love. You give me the option to continue making these type of videos. On to the next thing. For the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. A6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and age.